What is HVAC? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, we are going to learn a very basic but important question. What does HVAC mean? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems are used to keep indoor environments comfortable, healthy, and safe. Heating means providing warmth during cold weather. Equipment such as furnaces, boilers, and heat pumps are used to heat buildings. Ventilation means supplying fresh air and removing stale or polluted air from indoor spaces. Proper ventilation improves indoor air quality and helps maintain a healthy environment. Air conditioning means cooling the indoor air and controlling humidity levels to provide comfort during hot weather. Air conditioners remove heat from inside the building and release it outside. Together, these three functions form an HVAC system. HVAC systems are commonly used in homes, offices, shopping malls, hospitals, hotels, and industrial buildings. If you want to become an HVAC technician or engineer, understanding the meaning of HVAC is the first step in your learning journey. Conclusion. So remember, H equals heating, V equals ventilation, AC equals air conditioning. That's what HVAC means. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand HVAC lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.